Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add Gaussian integral equation in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to add Gaussian integral equation in this Word document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the equation drop down menu and go to the more equation from office.com. Then find and select the Gaussian integral equation, then select it to insert. Now we can see we insert the Gaussian integral equation in this document. You can edit the equation, otherwise you can edit another line. Go to the design menu and you can edit anything like function, script, radical, integral, etc. Now we copy the line and insert the line at the last, but we go to the more equation option, then click the change to professional, then click the change to line, then paste the more equation and press escape on our keyboard, then click the more icon and go to the change to display, and we can see we added a line. You can add another formula. Go to the design menu, then click the integral and apply any integral. Now we can see we added Gaussian integral equation in this document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.